If your ash pan is rusted out or warped beyond saving, this adjustable ash pan might be the fix you're looking for. We use it to replace the worn out pan in our Char-Griller Smokin champ, and the install process couldn't have been easier. It comes with all the hardware you need to include bolts and side rails. The ash pan was super easy to assemble and everything fit right into place. Now keep in mind the Smokin champ is larger than a lot of standard barrel style grills. We actually tried looking at fixed size replacement pans, but most were too small to fit the size of the main chamber. That's where this adjustable model really shines. It's adjustable and provides the flexibility to fit a wide range of different grill sizes. The steel construction feels solid, not too flimsy or cheap, and the rails provide a nice support system for adjusting height. It's not an OEM factory part, but for us, it worked great as a drop-in upgrade that brought new life to a heavily used grill. If your original ash pan is toast and you're not ready to buy a whole new grill, this is definitely a budget-friendly way to restore function fast. Just make sure to double check your grill's dimensions to be safe. But if you got a larger barrel like this Smokin champ, this is definitely worth a look. That's our experience so far with this adjustable ash pan. Simple install, solid build, and a great fit for larger grills like the Char-Griller Smokin champ. It brought our setup back to life, and for now, it's exactly what we needed.